Class 12 Mathematics, NCERT New Delhi and Kosei Manipur. Unit 1, Relations and Functions. Topic, Functions. Subtopic, Types of Functions. Injective 1-1, Surjective on 2, Bijective Functions. Exercise 1.2. Previous knowledge. Relation R from A to B. A dagi B da oiba relation nama haibasi any subset R of A into B or A cross B. A cross B gi any subset amabu A dagi B da oiba relation ama kaugani. Function F from A to B. A dagi B da oiba function haibasi karina yengsi a relation F is a function from A to B if each element A belongs to A has a unique element B belongs to B such that order pair AB belongs to F. F haiba relation asi A dagi B da oibani masi function ama kaugani A da yauba element A khudingi B da B haiba element ama khak thengnaraba A B order pair taken in this order the same order pair to F to yaurabadi A dagi B da oiba relation ase hauji function ama kaure. Image and pre-image of an element. Let X belongs to A set corresponds Y belong to B under function F. A set yauba X haibasina B set yauba Y asiga corresponds oirabadi under function F ta oirabadi then Y is image of X under F. Y asi X ki function F ki makada mami kawi X ki denoted by S ki mamidi F of X na kaugani, that is Y is equal to F of X. Also X is called pre-image of Y under F. X asibuna Y gi function F ki makada pre-image kawi. Domain, codomain and range of a function. Let F be a function from the set A to the set B. Be a function. The set A is called domain of F and the set B is called codomain of F. The set of all images that is set consisting of F of F such that A belongs to A is called range of F. Thus range is a subset of codomain. Mami pumna makna semba set adubu range kawi function dugi range haibasi codomain gi subset ni. Independent variable. A variable say X which represents any element of the domain of a function is called independent variable. Function amagi domain gi any element pu mahut siliba symbol natraga variable X asibu independent variable kawi. Dependent variable. A variable say Y which represents any element of the range of a function is called dependent variable. Function amagi range ki any element pu mahut siliba variable natraga symbol Y hairasi masi dependent variable kawi. Next. Number 7. Method of contradiction. Method of contradiction. We assume that P is not true, that is not P is true. Method of contradiction haibasi statement mathematical statement proof tobada sizinaba technique amane masi statement adu chummi haina utke hairabadi pirami statement adugi negative haibadi contradict haibadi not true chummi haina lokshin gani. Then we arrive at some reason which contradicts the assumption. Aikoina losin kiba adugi tayonaba ama phangakani result khara phangakani. Therefore, we conclude that P is true. Tayonaba ama phanglakliba se assume statement amabu lali haina loksilluba adudagi thorakpani. Aduna koina assume statement adu lali haina loksilluba du lale hanagi chummi haina pirami statement du chummi haina conclude tawgani. Contrapositive. The contrapositive of the statement if P then Q is, if not Q then not P. Contrapositive of the statement se artha manaba हानगी सेंटेंस तुगा अकोनबगी स्टेटमेंट सिगा अनिस अर्थ मानबने मफोंदो खेनबगी वाने मसिना if p then q हाइबा statement asigi contrapositivity if not q then not p हाइगने constant function types of functions class 11 da tamkiba singdu hojik amuk nainarasi a function f from r to r such that f of x equal to k case where k is constant whose domain is R, the set of real numbers and range is the singleton set consisting K only is called a constant function. Assume defined of a function amabu constant function kawe. Next, identity function. A function f from R to R such that f of x equal to x, x belongs to R whose domain and range are R is. Ibadi f of x ne x ta x is real number pumnamaki setagi lower number amani but x ne x ta 1 da 2 na 2 da map to a function identity function kawe. Next, modulus function. A function f from R to R such that f of x equal to modulus of x which can be rewritten as equal to minus x if x is a negative number, that is x is less than 0, whose value is 0 if x is 0, whose value is x itself if x is positive number, that is x greater than 0, is called modulus function whose domain is the set of real numbers R and range is 0 union set of positive real numbers. Mahakti modulus study negative tarakpa yadabarina set of real numbers tagi negative nataba makai set of non-negative real numbers asina magi range oigani. Next, reciprocal function. A function f from r minus 0 to r minus 0 such that f of x equal to 1 by x is called a reciprocal function whose domain and range are r minus 0, singleton set consisting 0. Polynomial function. A function f from r to r defined by f of x equal to a0 plus a1x plus a2x square plus dot dot plus a(n)x to the power n, where n belongs to w and ai belongs to r is called a polynomial function. Its domain is R and range is also R. Number 14. Rational function. A rational function f is defined as f of x equal to p of x by q of x, where q of x does not equal 0, where px and qx are polynomial functions. Polynomial ani divide tonobagi mawongda phangba function amabu aikoina rational function kaugani. Its domain is x belongs to R such that qx does not equal to 0. Denominator की function bu 0 chalandaba s value pum s की real oiba value pum namaktuna function sigi domain oigani. Greatest integer function. A function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to x within third bracket. This is symbol. X belongs to R where x within third bracket is greatest integer less than or equal to x is called greatest integer function. Its domain is the set of real numbers and range is the set of integers that is z or I. Its another name is step function. Number 16. Signum function. A function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to modulus of x divided by x. It is defined only when x does not equal 0 and the value of f of x is 0 when x is exactly 0, or f of x can be written as minus 1 when x is negative whose value is 0 when x is 0 whose value is 1 when x is positive is called signum function. Its domain is the set of real numbers R and range is only three numbers the set consisting only three numbers, that is minus 1 0 1. Types of functions. Main topic la asi previous knowledge koi loikre hojik standard sida khona tamgada types of functions singi makhal maru oina ahum tambani. Ahanbada 1 function atopa maming injective function kawi 1 function or injective function or injection. A function f from x to the set y is defined to be 1 function if distinct elements of x under f have distinct images in y f haiba x tagi y de oiba function si 1 function ni haigani x ki manadaba element khudingi f ta manadaba mami sing leirabade illustration ayekpa picture asida f habasi a set tagi b set ta oiba function amane a set ta 1 2 3 element ahum yawe b set ta element 1 4 9 yawe 1 gi mami di 1 ore 2 gi mami na 4 ore 3 gi mami na 9 ore hariba 1 ga 2 ga manade mami 1 4 sumanade 1 ga 3 ga sumanade mami 1 ga 9 ga sumanade 2 ga 3 ga sumanade mami 4 9 sumanade asumna manadaba element khudingmaki manadaba mami singlaiba function amabu aikoina injective function natraga 1 function kawi ani suba example da let f be from the set a consisting of 1 3 5 to the set b consisting of 2 4 6 7 be a function such that f of x consists of order pair 1 2 3 4 5 6 hariba function asi 1 1 any two order pairs of f ki second component manaba amati yaute first component of the amata manaroi maram the f asi function na ni haina piram labanina any two order pairs of f have different second components haibidi f ki learning bo order pair ani lobo matam da second component manaba amati yaudre maram asina masi 1 function ore working rules for determining 1 function left in the working rules yamaru ba rules singni let x y belongs to x such that x does not equal to y x amaso y haba number anisi set x ta yauba manadaba number singni implies f of x does not equal to f of y x ki mamidi f of x na khangnai y ki mamidi f of y na khangnai manadaba x amsung y gi manadaba mami singlairabadi mas function ado khudakta 1 function ni hairani ani suba technique ta let x y belongs to x x amsung y gi number ani local such that f of x equal to f of y adugumba x yawa number ani gi mami ani do manai haine loksile implies x equal to y unique solution phangle pre image ani do manare adurabadi function ase 1 function ni haigani hojik waram su to the season dariba technique si previous knowledge the yaugiba contrapositive haiba method of contrapositive statement ani se arth chamanai mafongdo khenabagi wani ahum suba technique ta any line parallel to x axis meets the graph of the function at one point karigumba apiba function amagi graph yekpa matamda function amagi graph adu x axis ta parallel oiba any line ama singba matamda 1 point unarabade madugumba function ado aikoina 1 function ni haigani apiba function amagi graph adubu x axis ta parallel oiba any line ama singba matamda 1 point khakta da unarabade madubu koina 1 function ni haigani point amadagi ani dagi hena kaknarabade function do 1 natte tang asida koina khangjanba yaba singdi notes 1 da 1 function ni maming injective function kawe solely injection kawe adugo not 1 function 1 function nataba function amabu koina many 1 function kogani hariba singsi masina 1 gi definition adugo working rules singsni aikona calculation gi tamaktadi working rule ahum ase yamna maru oi types of functions ke ani suba makhan onto function on or surjective function a function a from x to y is defined to be onto surjective function if every element of y is the image of some element of x under f f haiba x tagi y do oiba function na se onto natraga surjective function ne haigani y gi element khuding mak yamdrabada x ki mami x ki element kharagi mami oirabade illustration wanda ayekpa picture sida f habasi x tagi y do oiba function amani y gi element khudingmak ase x ta yawba element kharagi mami loina oire haibadi y da element amata lemdre masi onto function ne ani suba example da let a consists of 1 2 3 4 and b consists of a b c and f is a function from a to b such that f equal to order pair 1 a 2 b 3 c 4 c hojik f hariba function si yengsi f hariba function asigi b set yauba any element sing asi b set yauba any element a b c sing asi second component oiba yamdrabada second component oiba order pair ama pange masi aikoina onto function kawe working rules for determining onto function karamno function ama onto function ni haigani madugi working rule se yamna maru oiba technique ni let y belongs to y hariba element c y set yawa any element amabu represent tore symbol si there exists sign pagani there exists x belongs to x such that f of x equal to y habidi y set yawa any element ama se element x ta yawa element kharagi mami oiba ngamlabadi habidi f of x x ki mami di f of x na khangnai madu y da tahan ngamlabadi x abasi x the yawa element kharani ama tongan number ama dagi hena represent to y x na range of f amarom da function nama on to left na bagi technique amadi range of f function dugi range aduga y habadi codomain of f ka function adugi codomain ga manarabadi range of the function doga codomain of f ka manarabadi function do on to hojik matak ye khiba diagram asida range asisu abc ni codomain asisu abc ni range ka codomain ga mana element ama telemba leite sida mami oiba ngamdaba remark onto function ki maming surjective function kawe surjection su kawe ani so the not onto nataba function bu into function kawgani one and onto masibo bijective function kawe hojik define tausi a function f from x to y is one and onto another maming the bijective function if f is both one and onto f hariba function asi one function su oiraba onto function su oiraba simultaneously animak oirabadi f haba function si one and onto function or bijective function kawgani illustration diagram asida piriba function ase manadaba element singi manadaba mami lere som the element ama telemdre manadaba element singi manadaba mami lere banina one function oire aduga som the element ama telemdra banina domain codomain ka range ka manare masi onto function ore asumna piriba function ase aikoina bijective function ore the function f from r to r given by f of x equal to thrice x plus 4 is bijective masi ki function se bijective ayapa picture asida aikoni yengse origin da lapa manadaba number ani ki awang ba ani se manade lapa manadaba min magi x1 ga x2 ga ani ki value manararoi makoi f of x1 ki awang ba f of x2 ki height se ani se manadra bani na masem aikoina 1 function ase aikoina 1 ki nature lei amorom da parallel oiba line sing parallel oiba lai sing abu su tongan ba point une note 1 and onto function siga topa maming bijective function kawe or bijection su kawe asumna function makal ahum du tang kraba matung da hauji koi exercise 1.29 na desi so that the function f from r0 to r0 defined by f of x equal to 1 by x is 1 and onto where r0 is the set of non-zero real numbers is the result true if the domain r0 is replaced by n with codomain being same as r0 f habasi r0 tagi r0 to oiba asumna define to f of x to 1 by x habasi 1 amas onto animak oi have a proof to r0 asina 0 real number dagi 0 lo thokaga lehoba real number singi set adubuni hariba result asi chumbra 1 amas onto si chumbra r0 asina natural number n sindokrabadi habidi codomain bu represent to r0 asi n sindo set of natural number na sindokrabadi hariba 1 amas onto si oigadra hangmane first part hana kumse 1 let x y belongs to r0 such that f of x equal to f of y x amasung y have a c domain da leiba r0 ani surabanina ahan bagi r0 ase icon domain bu represent of set aduni madudi yawa any two numbers ni ma s ki mami f of x ka y ki mami f of y ga mane hane lokshille x amasung y mane natraga manade koi kariguma mata pandre then f of x की value दी 1 by x और any function value f of y की function value दी 1 by or y और any solve तो दी x equal to y सी खतंग चुमे मसी वो एक कोई unique solution ले बकवे असुमना ममी माना हलगा pre image माने है न उत्पंगम लबदे function नंबर 1 1 और बगी अनि सुबह गुल कोई न उत्खिबा working rule अदोने this so that f is 1 1 function और मथंग दे on to ओइब्रा अमुक test तो से on to the damoktadi let y equal to f of x pyramid function na do f of x to y ga man hal f of x de hana na 1 by x ga man hore y equal to 1 by x oin udu si hoji isdagi x solve to the 1 by y phange masi belongs to are not domain of f habadi y na loaning ba codomain dagi loaning ba real number ama lora madu 0 na y na cannot be 0 na trabani na 1 by of n and 0 si real number ni ka aduna ji x to are not yawa number ama phamanga me la iba pibam sina f as on to ore ji f as 1 1 so ore on to so ore ai ki last conclusion de hence f is 1 1 and on to first part to koi proof to lore second party ko domain bu represent riba domain bu represent riba are not a sin n sindu ogadi 1 1 am on to oibra habani second part 2 amuk khana si ekon second part 1 gi when a domain r not is replaced by set of natural numbers that is n and codomain remains same that is r not dom tamasi then f have say n2 r not ore 1 1 amuk oibri yangsi let xy belongs to n such that f of x equal to f of y assume na loksil x amaso y si domain dagi lo any natural two natural numbers ni hozik f of x ke function value 1 by x ni f of y gidi 1 by y solve to over the x equal to y masina koida karita f is 1 1 function ore but on to gidamakta di we find that 2 by 3 etc. in codomain are not do not have their pre-image in the domain and aikoina khange haibadi hauji ayekpa picture sida hauji khoi yengse R not asida aikoina 2 by 3 haiba number amale 2 by 3 asi karamba natural number gi mami oiba ngangani somda leriba 2 by 3 hariba 2 by 3 hariba natural number se kariguma natural number amagi reciprocal nateba sidi natural number x si natural number oigadom natural karamba natural number gi reciprocal 1 by of that natural number do na 2 by 3 tagan aduguma x puthokpa ngamdre sidagi khoni yam laina khangle we find that 2 by 3 etc. in codomain are not do not have their pre-image in domain n so f from n to r not is not on to oidre hence f from n to r not is 1 1 but not on to question number 2 Roman number question number 2 da check the injectivity and surjectivity of the following functions makhada piriba function singa sigi 1 1 oibra oidabra test to surjectivity on to oibra oidabra test check to haibani hozik ahan bada Roman number 1 che khumsi f habasi and defined of a function amane sat oiba function amane f of x equal to x square ni hariba function ase 1 1 over yengs 1 1 test of c let m and n belongs to n code natural number degi number ani kan such that f of m adi m gi mamine f of m n gi mamine f of n asumna loksel la ikoina hozik f of m gi function value di f of s kin x square over the f of m with m square asun n square la transport or factorize tara we get this m plus n the natural number ni natural number ani di sum di kadang with 0 tara divide to both side m plus n we get m minus n to 0 ga mana m minus n 0 ga mana ba haibadi m gi n ga mana asumna m amasung n gi mami mana halaga premise ani mana re mane hene utpangam be atop solution phangdre masi ko ni unique solution le ko masina karita a 1 1 ore f is 1 1 function ore 1 1 function ore amuksu onto yengsi function c let y equal to f of x onto ki damakta di f of x to y ga mana hanga dobani ahan be step ani sub step ta f of x ki function value pisalazi x square phangani x to solve toksi plus minus root over y does not belongs to n machine natural number di yaw ngamde haiba let us see karigino x have a cd natural number oigadabani x have a cd natural number oigadabani adu mark the minus of a root over su yadre value ani phange masumna hujik piriba function ase koina combine tawgadagi haibedo ai ko diagram asidi yengsi from the lady ba 1 have a sig square di kaya oigan 1 square di 1 warni 2 gi di 2 gi square di 2 gi square di ai koina 4 phange 3 gi square di 3 gi square di kaya phange 9 phange asumna leire chidi from the lady any natural number amagi square di natural number adum tarani but from the lady ba 3 have a sekanagi mamina sig 3 hari sekanagi mamina 3 hari ba number se kanagi image na adugumba x to puthokpa ngambra adugumba x to puthokpa ngambra x to puthokpa ngambra ngamde hojik aikoina y ase sugumba 3 ne hena khalo y ase 3 or square root of 3 s square root of 3 have a natural number nati natural number yaudi asum the su number mayam ama lady perfect square oida ba 5 have a kanagumba natural number amatagi mami nate kanagumba natural number amatagi mami nate adana haibadi hojik akoina obi sigi wano si y asi akoina 9 lawrasi y is 9 square root of 9 di plus minus 3 phange s ki value do amukna 3 phange 3 do natural ni chumi s ki value do amukna minus 3 phange adudi minus 3 have a natural number nate piriba condition asidagi koina kari phange f is not on to oidre 1 1 oikre on to oidre last conclusion di thus f is injective 1 1 oidre but not subjective di oidre sumna roman number 2 f have a z to z tani given by f of x equal to x square injectivity test of let mn belongs to z the domain is such that f of m equal to f of n f of n की value the m square ni f of n की value the n square ni solve to the m equal to plus minus n ni masi di double solution for a unique solution leba kaude masi di solution ani phange solution ama kakta phangba oidre f is not injective ore so na surjectivity amuk test tausi let m is the image of n that is m equal to f of n where m is z m is z ni codomain buni and n ansibuna marksu integers oigani n asidi domain da lebe any number amane then f of n ki value the n square ni sidagi n solve tawrabadi plus minus root over m must does not contain in z domain yawi ngamde maram value ani phange madu di z to vi but square root of a perfect m in a perfect square oidrabadi 3 gumba 2 gumba 5 gumba oidrabadi root over have cd integers kanglop to yaude masina kari ta f is not surjective f as surjective oidre mamang na takibaduga chap manai sisu assume na roman number 3 f of x equal to x square yangsi injective let x1 equal to minus 2 and x2 equal to 2 manadaba number ani local koina then f of x1d minus 2 square di 4 f of x2d 2 square ni 2 square 4 ni manare manadaba number ani gi mami manare manadaba number ani gi mami manare masina kari tai but x1 does not equal to x2 so f is not injective f as injective oidre ayek picture sida rab wak ko yengsi si su set of real numbers ni asumna mahak asisu set of real numbers ni la iba function ase mami a faina thole set of real numbers tagi uji kone sumani yengba matamda sigi minus 2 gi mami di 2 square di 4 ni minus 2 gi mami su minus 2 gi square di 4 ni asumna 3 gi mami su 3 square di 9 ni minus 3 की mami su 9 ni asun manadaba number ani की manaba mami phange asina kari tore function se 1 1 oidri manadaba ani की manadaba mami phangadi 1 1 oigadabani manama mami phange amuk su mathang amuk lok thasi subjective subjective yengsi clearly range of f sigi range study aikoina kari khange range study sigi -4 gumba real number yariba -2 gumba se kana gumba matagi mami oiba ngamdre adunadi mahakidi range study 0 oiba ya if sina 0 oiram labadi 0 square is 0 ni 0 square is 0 ni asunna mami singduri 0 amaso positive real numbers 0 amaso positive real numbers ni 0 among positive real numbers ni which does not codomain r siga manadre range of this function the non set of non-zero real number non-negative real numbers ka set r siga manadra banina the f is not surjective oidre Roman number 4 f from n to n given by f of x equal to x cube ni piriba function ase injective oibri yengsi ahan bada injective let m and n belongs to n domain such that f of m equal to f of n asumna loksele injective test on bagi f of n with the n cube lare f of n with the n cube lare factorize tawrasi asumna phange the last factor it cannot be last factor the natural number sin always natural number ni natural number is 0 nataba ya 0 ngaktan 0 nataba ngaktan divide to thokora we get unique solution phange masina f is injective ore but on to gi damaktadi Roman number 5 hojikoina on to gi damaktadi kaidorani let xy belongs to z such that f of x equal to f of y f of x x cube equal to y cube lady factorize taro si phange x minus y equal to 0 phange second factor never 0 divide to si phanga koni x equal to y machina karita a aikoida injective oire have f is injective oire surjectivity amuk yengsi let f of x equal to 2 f of x ki mami si 2 ohana loksile then f of x ki the x cube lane sidagi aikoina x to solve to the 2 to the power 1 by 3 does not belong to z yaugre f is not surjective oidre Question number 3. Prove that the greatest integer function f from r to r given by f of x equal to x star bracket is neither 1 1 nor on to piriba function je 1 1 su oide on to su oide ulu where x star bracket denotes the greatest integer less than or equal to x symbol c meaning this the p lady. Let here f is a function from r to r defined by f of x equal to x within tab bracket. Injectivity. Let x equal to 1.5 and y equal to 1.6. X say 1.5 ko 1.6 ka number ani si lowri 1 amasung 2 gi marakta leba number ani ni aina lowri basi. Then f of x the 1.5 within tab bracket whose value is 1 and f of y is 1.6 within tab bracket whose value is 1 mami ani si manare. Thus, x ka y ka manade implies f of x equal to f of y. Manadaba anigi mami manare. Kasina karita f is not injective. F is injective oidre. Asumna surjective amuk test tausi. Surjective test tausi. Surjectivity. Range of f clearly more greatest integer function ki range the z ni set of integers ni but pyramid ba function na sigi codomain di a ni adu di range ka codomain ga manadravadi f is not surjective and f has a surjective odre aikoina hoji conclusion da anima oidrabanina hence f is neither 1 1 nor on to prove tore. Question number 4. So that the modulus function f from r to r given by f of x equal to x within tab bracket x within single bar taken bar is neither 1 1 nor on to where x modulus of x is x if x is positive or 0 and modulus of x is minus x if x is negative whatever the modulus function ki assume defined rewrite up to a hoji 1 1 function is 1 1 over yengsi let x equal to 1 and y equal to minus 1 mami loksalabasi x ki value of 1 ni f of x have f of 1 modulus of 1 di 1 tar f of y ki value kaya lokre -1 adudi modulus of -1 di 1 ni manadaba number ani sige mami manare haibadi thus x does not equal to y implies f of x equal to f of y manadaba ni gi mami manare so f is not 1 1 f is 1 1 oidre mathang amok on to yengsi clearly range of f modulus function gi di 0 amasung set of non-negative real numbers negative nataba real numbers singa sina function range of this function ni but codomain of this function ni r ni ani si manadrabanina so f is not onto order f is onto order hence f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Question number 5. Show that the signum function f from r to r given by f of x equal to 1 when x is greater than 0, 0 when x is 0, -1 when x is negative is neither 1 1 nor onto animal oide haibani utsi piramiba function ase 1 1. Let x equal to 1 and y equal to 2. Manadaba number ani lokale mami singdi f of x na 1 f of x ki value 1 or f of 1 1 gidi 1 tare. So f of y haibadi f of 2 ni 2 gi su maha positive makai gidi 1 da map to bani. Hojik mami ani si manare so x ka 1 ga 2 ga manadra x ka y ga manadre f of x value 1 ni f of y ki value 1 ni that is f of x equal to f of y. Manadaba ani gi mami manarabade implies f is not 1 1 1 1 oidre. On to clearly range of f this function ki range the value number ahum si yawa set ni -1 0 1 but codomain di r ni manadrabanina f is not onto animak oidrabanina hence f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Number 6. Let f consists a consists of 1 2 3 set b consists of 4 5 6 7 and let f consists of order pairs 1 4 2 5 3 6 be a function from a to b so that f is 1 1 f is 1 1 utse. Any two order pairs of f have different second components. F tagi loaning border pair ani log second component amata manaro. Let us see in the diagram di yengsi hariba porasi diagram di yengsi sina a set 2 ni a set abcd element kaya aure 1 ne 2 ne 3 ne b set asida di element kaya aure 4 5 6 7 order pair do kaya 1 na 4 da map tore 1 na 4 da function na si f na su korame aikone arrowhead yaure 2 na kanada map tore 2 na 5 ta 2 na 5 to let 3 na kanada map tore 3 na 6 ta 3 na 6 ta diagram asigi koina khange manadaba element sing manadaba mami sing lere sinani any two order pairs of f have different second components maram sinama si 1 1 ore have the quick ulle so f is 1 1. Number 7. In each of the following cases, state whether the function is 1 1 onto or bijective. Makada piriba function singasi 1 1 oibra hayu onto oibra or bijective oibra hayu. Justify your answer. F is a function from R to R defined by f of x equal to 3 minus 4x. Roman number 1 se hana khanasi. Piramiba function se 1 1 test tausi. Let x y belongs to r. R havidi karamba r no r ani suradi domain bu represent ovani. Such state f of x equal to f of y. F of x ki value the 3 minus 4x or an f of y the 3 minus 4y. The solved over the x equal to y. The x equal to y or the implies f is 1 1. F is clearly 1 1. I'm line already. All to let y equal to f of x. On to get the the f of x to y gamana halani. Wa f of x originally kaya gamana hui 3 minus 4x gamana hui. Sidagi x to solve to over we get 3 minus y by 4. Masidi y in a loaning body number load of money belongs to s ki y in a loaning body number load of the panga ko s ki value the always real or real the karamba real domain the yawe any number matabangame implies f is onto. Hence f is animal or f is bijective or. Sum Roman number 3 2 was Sisomu ENC 1 1 let x y belongs to R such that f of x equal to f of y 1 1 उन्नबगी अहानब स्टेप अमने मेथड अमने the f of x की फंक्शन वैल्यू दी 1 plus x square ni f of y की दी 1 plus y square ni 1 1 कथक मतुंग x equal to plus minus y x की multiple solution फंगबा कवे मसी 1 1 की नेचर नते हाइबदी f is not 1 1 f से 1 1 ओइद्रे अतंग अमोक on to yengsi on to let y equal to f of x 1 2 की दमक्तदी f of x to y का मान हलनी f of x दी 1 plus x square का मान रखे aduna hudik lastly y equal to 1 plus x square ni masidi x to solve toksi we get plus minus square root of y minus 1 masidi function asi r to r ni masidi real number de yaugde y na 1 ki people number lawdu su real number de yaugdre y na 1 ki people number lawdu di masi real number oiba ngamde y di loading body number ama te logo ya bani the loader body y na 1 day people number loader body x real oidre masina karita f is not on to animal oidre last conclusion the hence f is not bijective here per se bijective oidre sumna roman number 2 loikre I let a and b be sets so that f from a cross b to b cross a such that f of a b equal to b a is bijective function pyramid function che bijective function ni ulu haibani bijective ki damak ta an beda 1 1 uchi let a b and c d belongs to a into b order pair ani khaklo khale a into b da karamba a into b na lori ba se domain da leiba number ani khaklo khale such that a b gi mami f of a b ga c d gi mami f of c d ga man hale f of a gidi b a lerani f of c d gidi d c lerani equating torabadi b ga d ga and a ga c ga manarani asumna a b have se karam itokwe yare a b order pa a ga manabadi c ni b ga manabadi d ni asumna a b ga c d ga manai a b amasung c d manai natra manade kona suppose to matamda koina po high ki de hoji unique solution level kore machine thus f a b equal to f of c d implies if a b order pair equal to cd so f is 1 1 1 1 or mathanda on to test of c let b a b and n arbitrary element of b in b cross a ki arbitrary element namani codomain de leba arbitrary element number loxel c then b as a the yaurani and a as a the yaurani haibadi a belongs to a and hana itoba and b belongs to b and ani subde itor c thus b a belongs to b cross a there exists a b belongs to a b such that a cross b such that f of a b equal to b a the tabang amba phange so f is on to animal or body hence f is a bijective function f is a bijective function or 9 let f be a function from n to n be defined by f of n is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd n by 2 if n is even for n belongs to n state whether the function f is bijective justify your answer if n equal to 3 odd number already then f of 3 value the 3 plus 1 by 2 that is 2 lady if m equal to 4 even number already then f of m की value the 4 by n by 2 की formula panjalabadi 4 by 2 or 2 lady 3 amasung 4 thus so m does not equal to n m n ka manadre but f of m equal to f of n kamaina manari ba f of m की value the 2 ni f of n की value su 2 ni aduri 2 manad ani si manarani china karita implies f is not 1 1 f is 1 1 oidre hence f cannot be bijective 1 1 oibang amdrabadi on to test to rudrabasu bijective oibang amaroi question number 10 let a is the set a is defined as r minus set consisting 3 and b is defined as r minus set consisting 1 consider the function f from a to b defined by f of x equal to x minus 2 by x minus 3 is f 1 1 and on to justify your answer piriba function je 1 1 amasung on to oibra maram piu haibani let us see define to see 1 1 test to see let x and y belongs to a domain the number and in such that f of x equal to f of y mami man halasi f of x की function value si leirani, f of y की function value su si leirani. Cross multiply and cancelling we get x equal to y. Masi unique solution phange implies f is 1 1 function ore. Mathang the on to ki damakta di let y equal to f of x where y belongs to b and x belongs to a. F of x 3x minus 2 by x minus 3. Cross multiply and transfer and solve x. X to solve already we get this. Y have a CD, y no 1 already makas 0 tagani. Y cannot be 1. Y have a CD canada yawano. Y di b ni b di 1 yawayadi. Shed b di 1 yawdi. Y na 1 ataba number amalo bada s ki value so always real number ma phangi madu karamba real number na 3 na taba real number ama hekta phangi. Implies f is onto 1 1 so or onto sorry, hence f is 1 1 and onto oibra hangadi oire. Choose the correct answer. Let f from r to r be defined as f of x equal to x power 4. Choose a the f is 1 1, b the f is many 1 onto, c the f is 1 1 but not onto, d the f is neither 1 1 nor onto. Karamba chumbage ahanbada 1 1 test toksi function c 1 1 x to 1 lauro y to minus 1 lauro, that gives f of x equal to f of y. Manarani manadaba number ani ki mami manare. Therefore f is not 1 1, f is 1 1 oidre. Mathangda onto oibre amuk yengsi onto ki damaktari clearly range of ft haibadi real number amagi power 4 ebasi matam pumna makta 0 amasung any positive number tabangami adubo piriba function sigi codomain di ani mabani range ka codomain ga manadrabanina not onto, f is not onto adudi 1 1 oidaba onto su oidaba adudi neither. Correct answer si D tare. 12. Let f is a function from r to r be defined as f of x equal to thrice x. Masi linear function ni. Yam line budi khangle. The option may am sing sili ahan bada 1 1 test of c 1 1. Let x y belongs to r such that x does not equal to y. Real number ani ni mana daba makoi gi 3 na purisilo mana raroi. Sidi kanana thrice x the f of x ki value ni thrice y the f of y ni. Manadaba number ani ki manadaba mami phange f implies f is 1 1, f say 1 1 ore. Onto ki damakta di clearly range of f t r orani. Haibadi y ki value se kone loaning bod number lauro sudin tarani s ki value leani. Range ka range of f to r ore, codomain of f to r ore mabani manare implies f is onto ore. Adudi animak oirabadi correct answer se a ore. Thank you for watching my videos.